The table is too dirty. I will clean up the table now.
Yeah, hello. My name is Thomas from the team BIT Mods. And hello, referees. Hi, our demonstration started. So the task of our robot Jenny today is to clean up the kitchen table. So we don't want to lose time, so we directly start with the demonstration. So what we do in our demonstration, we want to show you that we are able to do object segmentation on planes. And actually all these objects which are standing on the kitchen table are not terrain, so actually we could exchange them with any other graspable objects. And we try to visualize. This is glass. Can we take?
I will analyze the scene now.
Yeah, maybe I do it. Thomas. Yeah, we take this one. Okay, so you can see here in the Airbus.
I see 3 objects. I will now continue and grasp the object which is the biggest and nearest in my range.
We'll give you some technical details on that later, maybe from Chris. As you can see, there are 3 objects segmented, and we think it's important to be able to segment objects on planes. It's because we think a robot, an autonomous service robot, should be able to handle objects which are not known to him. Yeah? So if you tell the robot clean up the kitchen table, he might come to a situation where he meets objects he's not knowing, and he has to still be able to handle them. And yeah, as you can see now, he detected 3 objects.
I grasped the object successfully.
He grasped the first one. And what I now will do, since you wanted to see that the objects are not trained, I will put this object on the table now and remove another one. Because the robot will continue cleaning up the table, so that's the reason why I remove another one.
I will now throw the object away and therefore move to the garbage bin.
Okay, so I'll put another one here, move the Pringles. Actually, we mainly want to demonstrate the object segmentation and manipulating of the object. So the position of our trash bin is in this case known. So there's actually no detecting of the trash bin at the moment. But we just wanted to demonstrate that we are able to move around with the robot and move some objects to some place. And you will now see our. It takes a while. So at the moment, the sensor head is looking backwards, so it's now flipping the sensor head over, so our robot is able to detect our sense in both directions. So now he's looking backwards, so this is his back of the robot. So he will look at the same scene again.
I will analyze the scene
now. As you can see, he segments now 2 objects, and the right object, I just exchanged it. So we will hopefully now see how he grasps it. Actually, at the moment, we just tell the robot to grasp the...
I see 3 objects. I will now continue and grasp the object which is the biggest and nearest in my range.
Not so sure yet which one is nearer for him, so I cannot really tell which one he's grasping. Hopefully the right one, and you can see that he grasped the new one. The biggest. Sure. Yeah, what we also can do is multiple plane object segmentation, but we hopefully can show it tomorrow. We wanted to demonstrate this feature already in the old challenge, which was not successful, and I will explain you why. So our robot is equipped with some safety features.
I grasped the object successfully.
That's pretty good. Close, but good. So our robot has a remote controlled emergency stop button. Where's Florian at the moment? Just to show it. So he has it in his hand, and this will sends on 4 frequencies. Every millisecond a signal to the robot that everything is fine.
I will now throw the object away and therefore
the signal was interrupted.
The
robot went into emergency stop, which is a safety feature and actually good. And we will shortly demonstrate this feature now afterwards, if we have enough time. 5 minutes left, so we will have enough time. So we can put another object. We can put another object. we are running out of time. Actually,
How many?
no.
Thomas, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Make a plane.
Another one.
Block box and
Multiplane?
multiplane.
Oh, yeah.
Multiplane.
No, actually, the script is... yeah, put Nummer drauf, Nummer drauf. Eins. Yeah.
That's going to catch the...
Okay, just look at the arrows. So, I hope it's in the vision. What the script is that he is removing objects from the
I will
table
analyze the scene now.
until the last object. You can see it, it's red dark, but it's detected the ketchup on the box, which is orange. Yeah, we see it as different objects. So that's yeah, actually.
I see 4 objects.
Well, this starts
I
moving,
will
but
now
the version-
continue and grasp the object which is the biggest and nearest in my range.
Yeah. So you will now grasp one of the objects, which most probably should be the fruit. Oh no, you already detected the scene and knows the 3D position of the object. Yeah, I think it will give a no success for grasping. Do we get it? Obviously, it's not here yet. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't remove it. We will see. What does it say? Okay, so he doesn't detect.
I grasp the object successfully.
Okay, anyway. But we have tactile sensors in our hands, 2 per finger. So actually it's not implemented, but I think for tomorrow it's also. But in Turkey, we can tell you most probably that we grasp or not grasp. How much time do we have left? 3 minutes, okay.
I will now throw the object away and therefore move to the garbage bin.
Okay. Actually, we told the robot not to leave the table completely, but to leave one object. Just to make it shorter, now we have more time than expected. After he will look at the table, he will tell us that he finished this task and wants to move out, and then I want to demonstrate you our safety features. So first of all, if you are standing in the path, the robot will just stop moving. But if you get really close to the laser scanner, we have an emergency off. And if this emergency off is detected, it will go in a safe mode, so don't move anymore. We'll stay in this position. And the robot is safe. And yeah, can be reinitialized what we want to show, and then we want to show you also the remote safety emergency button. Just show you the safety features of our robot. So we now should detect one object, but we
I
shouldn't
will analyze the scene now.
So yeah, actually the wireless connection is not so good. It takes some while to show it, but now it detects one object.
I see 5 objects. I will now continue and grasp the object which is the biggest and nearest in my range.
Yeah, as you saw, there were some objects detected. This can sometimes happen. Now he sees still 2 objects, so I can't really tell the reason. But maybe we... how much time do we have left? 1 minute. Okay, I shortly show you the...
Laser scanner emergency
I
issue.
just wanted to show you if you go close to the laser scanner, it's not moving anymore. Oh, sorry, it's not moving anymore if you go too close to the laser scanner, so it can be restarted.
Laser scanner emergency
Then we
released.
also show you,
Emergency button pressed. Emergency button released.
It's released now, and
Emergency button pressed.
this remote emergency button, just to be sure, so there's always someone
Emergency
there.
button released.
So the robot is actually very safe at the moment. So now we don't continue, so we finish our test here. And we have time for some questions. One question.
So you always move the arm away when you take some snapshots of the scene.
Yeah.
Do you have something like a self-filter where you can really, detect the arm and filter it out from the data?
This is not implemented at the moment. then we have a model of the arm, and just ignore it if you see it. No, it's not implemented at the moment. So we always move it out of the way where it's not visible. Actually, we also sometimes turn it around and look backwards because then the arm is normally not in the way. Yeah. Any more? Time is over. Okay, so thank you for watching.
An Hochschule von Leipzig.